How to fix media creation tool error 0x80072F76, 0x20017 on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix media creation tool error 0x80072F76, 0x20017 on Windows 10. 1. Unblock the media creation tool. 2. Run Update Assistant tool at https://www.microsoft.com/n-a/software-download/windows 10. 3. Delete temporary folders via these commands: admin mode /fc $windows bt /*r/a $windows bt /t grant administrators /s qc $windows bt /tacon /fc $windows ws *r/a c $windows ws /t grant administrators /s qc $windows ws 4. Switching the internet connection, ISP, or DNS. Plan B. Try the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 5. Try some Windows ISO downloader tool on the web, such as the one by Hydoc. 6. Create a Windows 10 installation media, USB or DVD.